Today I'm gonna do an unbox video of these two little things. So we have this roasted goose flavor potato chips and wonton noodles flavor potato chips, very Hong Kong style. So these two are special editions of the potato chips of Calbee in Hong Kong. I've never tried this, I'm not sure how they taste good or not. I wasn't paying attention of these two potato chips until I read an article from a newspaper, and I want to share this review first. Once you put it into your mouth, the aroma of the goose is overflowing. It's overflowing. And it tastes exactly like a freshly roasted goose. Yeah, they win. The review is so ridiculously crazy that I want to try this and do a review video of these two. So which one first? What is this? Okay, roasted goose. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so it's a wavy potato chips or dark red dots powder. So it's supposed to look like the roasted goose. Yes. So I'll try this. It's a surprise. This actually tastes like roasted goose, seriously. You know, when you're eating potato chips, you don't want to read the ingredients, you know, makes you feel guilty and unhealthy. But anyway, lamb fat. Lamb fat. So there is no goose inside, but there is lamb. So before I try this, I prepare something. It's this thing. So this is a plum sauce or plum paste. When you eat anything roasted goose or roasted duck in Hong Kong, the Cantonese style, they would give you a plum sauce. So would this taste good with the chips? So that's why I got one of this. So it has a taste of sweet and sour. So this is the plum sauce. Okay, I try this taco style. It does not make me feel like it is more roasted goose, but it's good, you know. When it's sour, sweet, it's not necessary. For the second one, I'm not sure if they make it more yellow to match the color of the noodles, because it's supposed to be egg noodles. Okay, it's also wavy chips. I know this taste. Of course, this is not the fresh shrimp taste. Come on, this taste is from dry shrimp roll, the eggs of shrimp. Because for many shops, wonton shops, they add shrimp rolls inside the wonton. So if you go try the real wonton noodles, try to bite half of the wonton, you'll see a little bit of dots, which makes it more aromatic and more tasty, more shrimp. So I would say I taste a little bit of wonton, but where's the noodles? Come on, the noodles, where are you? Noodles! So when you go to a wonton noodle shop, usually there is chili oil on the table, so you can add on this. So when it's about chili oil, there are two parties. One party is the oil lover, and the other party is the paste lover. You know, for me, I'm sorry to say I'm the middle one. Yeah, you know, sometimes I love the oil, sometimes I love the paste inside. You know, it depends on the shop. Just to clarify, Hong Kong people don't add sauce inside potato chips. This is interesting. The chips with this chili oil, I do feel like it's more close to the real thing. I don't know, because of the shrimp powder, I guess. So shrimp powder with the chili oil or the chili paste is a good match, and I do feel a little bit of the wonton shop flavor. Interesting. if you are in Hong Kong, visiting Hong Kong, yeah, you can buy these as souvenir for your friends or family. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Roasted goose potato chips or wonton noodles, chips. It's kind of funny. A good souvenir idea. Or for yourself, if you will miss Hong Kong and if you love these two flavors, I recommend these two. Yep, so this is pretty much about my potato chips unbox video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Hong Kong Guy channel, and also check out hongkongguy.com for more information about Hong Kong, and I'll see you next time. When they shit hits the fan, we in different gyms. You don't belong on this court.